Good morning, guys. Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and I want to read a comment that came in on the Total Knee Replacement Support Group for Kind People Facebook page. It says, quote, "How long does the tight band feeling around the knee last? I'm going on 7 months post-op and I still have it, just not as tight as before." So this is a really common complaint that vice grip feeling you have. Oftentimes it's right around the lower aspect of the knee, just below the joint line, but sometimes it could be around the whole knee. Some patients will describe it to me as they feel like it's duct tape wrapped around their knee. Some people feel like it's just a vice. I can tell you that I treat lots of patients in a year. I get the good fortune of talking to probably thousands of patients a year, and this is a pretty common problem. Now, we don't fully understand what is triggering that sensation. I tend to believe, now my background's biomechanics, I tend to believe that it is the implant that goes on top of the tibia. It is changing basically the force load through the shaft of the tibia, through the top of the tibia bone, which is the bottom of the knee joint. And I think that what you're feeling is the bone adapting to that new force being imposed upon it. I also think that there's a component where the connective tissue that makes up the joint capsule, where it comes around down at the bottom of the knee and attaches into the bony structures. I think there's some tightness in there. If there's any residual swelling, that's going to be in there. And so to my patients, I describe it as, if you imagine a thick canvas material, if I create a bubble with that thick canvas material, that being the joint capsule, as that canvas, if I fill it with material and it gets tighter and tighter and tighter, not only is the either the swelling or anything that's inside there pushing out, but there's a exact opposite force compressing in. And so the way patients describe it to me, that's one of my best guesses for what that sensation is. And just like this person who posted the original post said, it does reduce. This person's 7 months post-op and they still feel it, but not as intensely as before. It does reduce, but I wonder if it's more just that we become accustomed to the sensation rather than the sensation necessarily going away. I know that I've worked with lots of patients that are years out from total knee replacement, and many of them do not feel that sensation anymore. But it is totally reasonable for somebody 6 months, 12 months, 18 months to still feel that, or to feel that after they've overdone it. Maybe they've been on their feet too long. Maybe they've been hiking or biking or walking or doing too much. And when the knee gets a little bit swollen, they feel that sensation come back, which is another reason why I tend to think it could be associated with the connective tissue or the loading forces through the shin bone. But in any case, I can tell you that while there isn't a specific resolution to it, there isn't a specific exercise or stretch or anything that you could do to resolve it, it does go away with time. I hope that helps. I'll catch you guys on the next video.